Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire various Miles suits in InVision's Web Verse. The game features many exciting Miles suit variants, each with its own distinct look. To begin your collection, you'll typically need to interact with non-player characters, or NPC, and trainers scattered across the map. These characters will guide you through specific challenges and missions, which are essential steps toward earning your desired suit. Keep an eye out for Spidey icons on your in-game map. They mark the locations of these important quest givers. Many of the coolest Miles suits require spider points, the game's main currency. You can earn these points through several engaging activities. A highly lucrative method is to defeat criminals. Look for crime in progress notifications on your screen and map. Another fun way is by completing pizza delivery missions, which are time attack challenges. For a bigger challenge and substantial point gains, try surviving chases within the Spider Society dimension. For example, one popular Miles suit costs 1,200 spider points. Beyond spider points, many Miles suits are unlocked through unique quests. For instance, to get the popular Costume Miles suit, you must embark on a scavenger hunt to find 5 distinct packages hidden throughout the city. Another example is the City Sound suit, which requires you to solve 2 musical boombox puzzles. Additionally, trainers offer hoop missions, and other NPCs may send you on recall quests to find and return specific items, all leading to new suit unlocks. Once you've successfully acquired a new Miles suit, equipping it is simple. Navigate to the main menu and select the Alter Ego section, usually marked by a mask symbol. Here, you can browse your collection and choose your desired appearance. Remember, some special suits even come with unique abilities that can be activated by pressing the B key. Keep playing, exploring, and completing new challenges to expand your impressive collection of Miles suits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.